Welcome back to another Nifty City video. We haven't made a video in a while for you guys. We're back in the 350Z this time with the 14.5 inch screen that we created earlier this year. We have made another version for you guys, the 13.8 inch screen with more gauge visibility. As you can see from the driver's point of view, the gauges are a little blocked. We tried to expand more on the larger screen. I'll go ahead and install the 13.8 inch for you guys, and then we can go from there and see what the visibility of the gauges is like from the driver's position. I'll go ahead and just do a direct swap and you can see the differences between the two. You can purchase it on niftydcity.shop. You can choose between the 14.5 inch screen for a bigger screen, more visibility of the screen, or you can choose the 13.8 inch for more visibility of the gauges and a smaller screen. If you wanted to see how to dismantle your dashboard, please watch our video installing the 14.5 inch screen. We'll put it in the description below. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've gone ahead and removed the center console trim around the transmission. I've disconnected all the plugs from the 14.5 inch screen and I'm moving them over and connecting them to the 13.8 inch screen. So we've popped in the screen. Don't forget to move over the 3 gauges from your factory trim over to the new screen trim. Okay, so the new screen is fitted. As you can see from the same angle, the screen is much lower and has full gauge visibility on the top. It has better software and more capabilities, more improvements. Nifty City provides the correct plastic trim facing the correct driver's side. So if you are left-hand drive, these 3 gauges and the plastics provided with the screen would be facing the other way. Same with this for automatic and manual, the plastic trim just there. You'll be provided 2 trims and you can choose the correct one during installation. I'll put a comparison between the 2 screens at the end of the video and you can see the differences. Please visit niftydcity.shop to go ahead and find your screen there for the 350Z or pretty much any car you'd like. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, comment on the video, and please share the video to your 350Z friends. See you on the next video.